going to be using safety equipment when we're using our tools between a needle gun and a angle grinder. For safety equipment, we're going to be using safety glasses, which you put on top of your other glasses. We're using a mask of sorts. Tends to get a little bit foggy, but that's fine. We'll be using, after all the removal is done, using a product called Rust Release. It's a gel of sorts you put on after you remove most of the rust and the dirt and debris. For safety equipment also, we'll be using gloves. For this case, general purpose gloves. Fit on quite nicely. Your hand easily. Attach the strap, get it on. And for angle grinders, we'll be using such with pads, multiple pads for just in case they break. And then that's about it. Wish us luck. All right, thank you.
In the end, we shall achieve in time the thing they call divine, when all the stars will smile for me, when all is well and will is all for all, and forever after. But maybe in the meantime, wait and see. Will I be all you? Where lands are green and skies are blue, when all in all we're just like you. Will I be all you? When I cry for me, I cry for you, with tears of holy joy, for all the days you've still to come. And if I ever say I'd never play or fly toward the sun, maybe in the meantime something's strong. Will I be all you? Where lands are green and skies are blue, when all in all it's just like you. We love the all you. That sound fine, so I see us sometime. Give my love to the future of a humankind. Okay, okay, that's not okay. While it's on my mind, there's a good bits of crime for a future love dream that I'm still to find. But in the meantime, will I be all you? Where lands are green and skies are blue, where all in all we're just like you. Will I be all you?
Testing some more stuff. This Rust-Oleum brush remover.
Oh, you got it?
Yep, got it.
Okay.
Here's our workbench. This is basically a gel spray.
It
Smear
seems
on.
to be like a gel spray, so I don't know
Yeah,
how good it is.
we have no idea. We're testing on something we can work with. Going from there. And you remove it after about 3 hours, so this is...
So they said I didn't read the instruction even.
I assume so. And this one says...
Okay, I'm using it.
Sorry. Couldn't read it in time.
Where lands are green and skies are blue,
rust removed before paint is put on. Looks good, right? Pretty remarkable. Second coating of paint. First coat of paint. Finished paint at least. Looks good, right?